guys, welcome back to 75 Dually Garage. You know, life gets crazy and busy for all of us, and lately between family and work and just general life stuff, I've been super busy. And I haven't been able to put a lot of time into video and content for YouTube. But that's okay. What I'm going to do right now is show you a series of photos from when I first brought my truck home to where it is today. I hope you enjoy this culmination of photos, and as well I wish each of you a very happy New Year's, and I'm sure 2020 is going to top 2019. 2019 was pretty challenging, I would say, for each one of us. I'm sure if you look back you'll see a lot of things in your life that you kind of wish you would have a redo button, but you know what, we don't have that. So let's continue on in this year and let's each one of us have a happy New Year's. Thanks for watching 75 Dually Garage.